ng Nike. So, i-unbox po natin ito ngayon. And this is kasali na yung shipping. Kuha na 1,985 kasali na yung shipping. This is yung slippers ng Nike. Meron kasing Nike apps. So, wait this one.
It's kind of gooey and
Nike
really
apps.
slimy. Not really cool to eat.
Ito.
I'm not sure my crew is looking forward to this.
Pangalan ng slippers is Nike Victory 1.
My crew's looking at me like, are we gonna eat this? You've eaten this before? Yeah, it's really good. It's turned to look pretty good. Oh yeah, it'll be awesome.
Kita nyo guys.
You don't want to cook it right in the fire or right in the flames. That's why I remove the burning logs there and just put it in the hot coals. It looks great.
Yan po. Yan po.
It's awesome.
So, let's see kung legit ito. Let's open.
So tasty. It's not chewy at all. It's perfect. Seriously, it's
Actually, yung Nike,
come on, Jesse.
ang price niya is
I'm gonna die. This
1,595. 1,595.
So?
Okay.
I look nervous. Hey, we've seen way worse than this. It looks like a snake.
And then,
A snake is more chewy. Yeah, I've never had a snake before.
kasali na yung shipping, yung
Chris, you want some?
ang shipping is 250.
Hey, come on, we've
Door to door na yan. So, kaya 1,970.
and your girl's still dying.
Tapos,
So, another piece. There you go. That's my man.
I pay it through
It's not bad.
tawag nito, GCash plus 15 pesos, kaya 1,985 lahat. So, unbox natin.
Since we ate the second meal, I have no choice but to find some new things.
Kikita niyo talaga guys, gusto ko pag original, ang packing maganda. So, tingnan natin legit ba ito.
Yes.
Hindi kasi katulad ng ito,
It's so bad for the planet. At least this one is gonna come in.
mga double pack sila oh. Just do it. Whoa! Look at this. Look at this. Nice.
There you go.
Size
This is a
8.
makeshift bait trap. The idea is that I saw this plant here, which is
Nike.
the perfect environment
Okay.
for the kind of bait I'm looking
Let's
for.
open this
All
one.
I saw is a bunch of them on the surface
So ito
here.
po guys, talaga legit ito.
Small bait like rice and stuff.
Yung
This will be totally in.
yung apps ng Nike.
The bait fish.
Download nyo lang sa cellphone nyo.
They smell it, so they go around.
And
the
this
ball,
is it,
and
baby.
Try to get to the bait and see if there's an opening.
This is it.
They can fit through, so they go right through here, and then they get trapped. That's it. They can't get up.
It's legit.
And get close to this plants there.
Okay, size 8. Okay, guys. I'm so happy. And it's legit. Eyeglasses pala ako. Okay, anyway, it's legit. And thank you so much and peace.